What's up, guys? LD727, first vlog. There's a ton of people, but we're in the mall. You know, we're gonna get some nice stuff for compadre allá de Rancho Trueno for helping us and supporting us, music-wise and career-wise, basically. But yeah, just keep watching. First vlog. Today's the day before the Rancho. You know, carne asada. You know, we got El Mero Güero over here. He's so nonchalant and shy. I think he's distracted, guys. But yeah, guys, siguen viendo. Ciao. We're here at Nike, and I'm looking for an outfit. I really like this one. It's a croissant. Pretty fire, right? Yeah, my girlfriend said she doesn't like it because it's like a croissant. And my brother said it looks like a caca. But I like it, you see? I like the loose fit, relaxed fit type shit, you know? Oh, that's nice too. Look at that. But we're about to head to Coach right now. Or Hook. I don't know what that is, but my brother wants to go to it. But we are low-key looking for some pants. It's kind of like cargo pants, pero son diferente material. And yeah, we're gonna try to find that. So yeah, we got what we came for. Venimos, compramos la cosa de Coach. I got myself a nice Coach shirt, and I got el compa Danny. Something nice, something simple, pero shows a bit of appreciation. Not as much as he can do for me. How do I say it? Okay. He's helped me more than, and I can't give him enough. I don't know how to say it. Es un gran nombre, you feel me? But yeah, we're about to dip. We were gonna go to Walmart. Where am I going? We were gonna go to Walmart to get the stuff, pero ya son casi las 9, and I doubt that to be open by the time we get home, because we are almost like 2 hours away from home. So yeah, we're heading out, guys. So lo mero bueno se viene, and the rest of the vlog. This is just a start, basically. So yeah, carne asada podcast. I'm so excited. So yeah, guys, I know them. Good morning, vlog. Ya estamos acá a Walmart para que vean. Y aquí tenemos la mayoría de cosas que ocupamos. Todavía falta la carne y todavía falta todo el hielo y todo el pedo. But we got some chips, you know. We got some Oreos and got some more chips y todos los platos desechables y todo. This is gonna be for the chips. Like, I mean, these right here. But yeah, we gotta get some soda right now. Entonces, estaba pensando de agarrar de los grandes, pero no. La verdad, no. I don't know, y'all. What do you think? Should I get like half of this and still buy those like for the Fantas? Because I don't think they sell Fanta cans. Oh. Never mind. Yeah, let's get some cans, some Coke, Sprite, Fanta, and some Brisk, because why not? If I'm being honest, I low-key went a tiny bit crazy on everything. I mean, I do want there to be enough, but like para todos and everything. Like, I bought chips, like the individual bagged chips, because I know that everybody's not gonna eat from that 42 pack, you know. Entonces, I just got the favorites, you know, like the hot Cheetos Puffs, hot Cheeto Crunchies, the regular Doritos, all this, and the Takis, and that with the dips and everything. And I did get some Oreos, and some dips for the Tostitos. But I did get a lot of soda. Mira eso. But I gotta somehow fit it into my truck. It's pretty small, pero a ver cómo le hacemos. Yeah, we had to make an ensalada de papa, because I completely forgot about the sides. We're gonna do a carne asada. I mean, yeah, I got all the, well, I'm gonna get the meat after the podcast, right before I head to the Rancho, so that it could be nice and fresh. But thanks to my dad and my mom, they're gonna be helping me a bit. My dad's gonna be letting me borrow his grill, and my mom is helping me make the ensalada de papa, which is the bomb. But we got this really big plancha. How much was it, papa? Like $5,000? It's nothing crazy. Nothing crazy.
Nothing crazy.
All right. Una, dos, tres. Uy. And we got that in. Uy. Uy. You all right, Papa?
Yeah.
You sound like you're suffering.
No.
But yeah, guys, that's the plancha right there. ¿Qué rollo? Rollo de papel, rollo de paper towel. Anyways, ya vamos para Rancho para dejar todas las cosas. Hay un montón de cosas. Tenemos la charola de ensalada de papa. You know. Oh, papa. You get the joke because it's like papa. Anyways, pero vamos a ir a Rancho porque vamos a ir hasta Lakeland, bro. Entonces no podemos tener, we can't have everything in the trunk. We can't, like, I literally can't see anything out my rear view mirror because it's so full and so packed because we got the grill and we got so much hieleras and everything. Entonces vamos a ir a Rancho Trueno primero. Vamos a ir a dejar todo y luego, chill, bro. Yeah. Y luego vamos a ir al podcast. So, yeah, guys. Me ando echando mi, ¿cómo se llama? Mi McDonald's. Unas papitas y luego me voy a echar el sándwich de pollo, pero sigan viendo. WTF. Anyways, guys, we're here at the Rancho Trueno. Anyways, we came to drop off the stuff. This is all the stuff that we had in the back. We had that, this. We had a ton of stuff, guys. And it's 90 degrees outside. Let me show you guys real quick. It's 90 degrees outside. Can you see? Bro, look at all the beautiful horses. You can see all the beautiful horses. Los caballitos. Caballín colorado. But, yeah. If you look at this one's really nice. This one over here. Guys, she's following me. guys. But guys, like as you can see, these horses are so beautiful, dude. Like, so beautiful. Like they have so much horses over here, and even this what's it called? The saddle, as you guys can see over here, it says Rancho Trueno, bro. Like, so beautiful. But Rancho Trueno. Trueno means like lightning, like chow. But we do have some more horses. This is Uri's horse. That's my dog, Uri. Los del 813 made a song for him, by the way. It's called URL. You guys can check it out. URL. That's Blue right there, the legendary Blue. He's so nice. He's so pretty. He's so handsome. He's so majestic. But look at this horse. I don't know si se va a dejar o no, but he has a mustache on that, bro. Look. Es raza gypsy. Míralo. Acá irá. I don't know if you guys can see his mustache. Come here, boy. Can you see his mustache or not? Mira. Oops. My bad. Sorry. Never bother a king when he's having his meal. But guys, keep watching. We're about to go to the studio. Not the studio where we record our music, but the studio with Agarrido. That's where we're gonna be doing our podcast. The time got moved, so we had like an hour to chill here, and yeah, I think we should start heading in a bit. What do you think? Not the camera, so it looks like you said yes. Is it moving? Okay. Anyways, guys, we'll catch you guys over at the studio. Hopefully you guys are liking, subscribing, and sharing right now. Hopefully you're sharing this video to your granny right now. She's gonna love it. She's gonna be like, ay, mira, mijo, los caballitos. But yeah, guys, we'll see you there. Anyways, guys, we're gonna help clean up this mess because something happened. There's a bunch of random toys in the middle of the road. And this thing, it's like, as you can see, there's already people helping and todo. Pero alguien dejó su pinche basura y todo. That's everything, right? But that should be it. Pretty sure. I think. Here's the carrito, guys. Look. Anyways, guys, we're here at the studio.
Restart.
Guys, we just made it to the studio. We got Alejo here. Yo. And we got the lit haga ruido. But he's setting up the pictures and everything. I mean, the cameras and everything. We're about to start. And low-key excited. We got Mr. Tony over there setting everything up. You want to get him real quick? He's over there. You got him? Well, he's setting everything up. He's a really busy man. But gracias a Dios, siempre hay chamba. But yeah, we're about to start. So, sigan viendo.
Allegiance song, you know, like,
yeah.
You know, the horns and the drums, you know, because my birthday's 4th of July, we got to do something. Like,
your birthday's 4th of July?
Yeah, bro, I'm America's birthday.
Oh,
I am America. Hey, bro,
Damita, hay para que lo escuchen en todas plataformas. Tu pelo, tus ojos, aroma y manos que a mí me atrapan. Tú eres una niña mala, no sé lo que.
Like, this guy walks in, I'm like, bro, this man, I got a bodyguard. But listen, new episode of I Got It coming out soon. Appreciate my boys coming out. And see you soon, fellas. Ciao.
¿Qué rollo? We're at the Rancho now. Con copita AV. I got some. Yes, sir. I got some more people over here. Se está activando. Ya saben. Los del 813. We got some chips and everything. Ya saben, nothing crazy, but we got that boy Trilla. And we got Alejo over here. And we're making all that al pastor and everything, but it's kind of cooking kind of slow, but it's all good. And yeah, we got them. We got some more people. Y acá está el cumpleañero. Happy birthday, my boy.
Tú naciste, nacieron todos los hombres. Y en la...
Guys, I am tired. It's 1 a.m. Ando cansado. Estoy atrapado. I don't know if you guys can see my eyes. Estoy cansado, bro. The carne asada was lit. Lucky there wasn't too much people in the beginning. Pero todos estábamos separados. We were all doing our own thing, but
once we started playing music and all that, is when we all started, you know, chilling, jamming out, comiendo. But other than that, good eats today, you know. Good day. Shout out to Haga Ruido. Shout out to Rancho Trueno. Shout out to los compas de Rancho Trueno. All the cousins over there and everything. And yeah, guys. Hopefully you like the vlog. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. And like it again. Who just honked at me, bro? Let me turn around. That is good. But yeah, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And subscribe. And listen to my music, please. And share my music. And follow the Instagram. And share the posts. But yeah, guys. See ya.